Good afternoon, dear students. As we have discussed about air, water, soil and food pollution in our previous class. So today we will discuss about noise pollution, nuclear pollution, drug addiction and communicable disease. So let's start with noise pollution. It is also a very dangerous pollution existing in the society. It can also cause deafness and also can make the people unconscious. It enhances mental stress and tension. They get nearly affected those who are in the mother's womb. Noise pollution disturbs their rest and sleep. The noise pollution usually occur in big cities, machines, ships, cars. It mainly affects the heart of the children, affects the blood pressure of the body. Now I will tell you some things more about noise pollution. Like what is called noise pollution? Noise pollution is also known as environmental noise or sound pollution. Is the propagation of noise with very harmful impact on the activity of human or animal life. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transport and propagation systems. Second one, is noise pollution a problem? Noise pollution is an invisible danger. Noise pollution impacts millions of people on a daily basis. The most common health problem it causes is noise. Induced hearing loss, NIHL. Exposure to loud noise can also cause sleep disturbances and stress. Now, third one, what are the negative effects of noise pollution? Unwanted noise can damage physiological health. Noise pollution is associated with several health conditions, including cardiovascular disorder, hypertension, high stress level, tinnitus, hearing loss, sleep disturbances, and other harmful and disturbing effects. Last one, how to reduce noise pollution? First, turn off appliances at home and offices. Next, shut the door when using noisy machines. Next, use earplugs. Fourth one, or lower the volume. Next, follow the limits of noise level. Then next, control noise level near sensitive areas. Last one, go green by planting trees. चलो. One more pollution is there which is not discussed in book, but I am going to tell you. This pollution is the mightiest. All the pollutions can be defined under it. The pollution created by atom bombs is called nuclear pollution. Understood? One example of this is the bombing done by America in Hiroshima, Nagasaki, which was the cause of World War. It destroyed many lives and affected the health of leftover people. Till today, the effect of bombing can be seen there in the health of people. I am going to tell you some questions and answers related to nuclear pollution. First one, what does nuclear pollution mean? Answer, nuclear pollution is pollution created by mishandling and inappropriate storage of spent nuclear fuel rod and pieces of protective clothing and tools that have become contaminated and by insecure transportation of highly radioactive material over long distances to a processing plant. Second last, how can we remove nuclear waste? Answer, disposal of low-level waste is straightforward and can be undertaken safely almost anywhere. Storage of used fuel is normally underwater for at least 5 years and then off and in dry storage. Deep geological disposal is widely agreed to be the best solution for final disposal of the most radioactive waste produced. So, I think you have understood nuclear pollution. Nuclear pollution is very dangerous. Our next topic is drug addiction. Drug addiction, it means getting habit of taking dangerous drugs in the body. Those who make habit of taking drugs, they are moving towards death at a very fast rate. Addiction is a disease that affects your brain and behavior. When you are addicted to drugs, you cannot resist the urge to use them, no matter how much harm the drugs may cause. Drug addiction is not about just heroin, cocaine, or other illegal drugs. You can get addiction to alcohol, nicotine, opioid, painkillers, and other legal substances. At first, you may choose to take a drug because you like the way it makes you feel. You may think you can control how much and how often you use it, but over time drugs change how our brain works. These physical changes can last a long time. They make your loss self-control and can lead you to damaging behaviors. So, because of all these things, you have to leave the habit of drug addiction. Communicable disease is the last topic of various health hazards of modernization. Communicable disease, the diseases which are transmissible or easily transmitted from one person to another. Such examples are AIDS, viral fever, plague, Hazza, and many more. What is communicable disease? A communicable disease is one that is spread from one person to another through a variety of ways that include contact with blood and bodily fluids, breathing in an airborne virus, or by being bitten by an insect. What are the communicable? Communicable are infectious disease are caused by microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, parasites, and fungi that can be spread directly and indirectly from one person to another person. Some are transmitted through bites from insects, while others are caused by ingesting contaminated food or water. I think that you have understood. So our next topic is remedies of health hazards of modernization, that I will explain in next video. Thank you.